Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter 9, variables and data types in Python. In this chapter, we will study about variables, assigning values to a variable, multiple assignments, standard data types and concatenation of strings. So let us start. First of all, we are going to know about variables. Students, you have studied about assignment of values to a variable in maths. In the same way, here also we can use variables for assigning values. In Python, variable is a reserved memory location to store variables. The value of the variables will change at the time of execution of the program. In other words, a variable in a Python program gives data to the computer for processing. If we do not assign a value to a variable, there will be displayed an error message. For naming a variable, we have to follow some rules, and they are: the variable name should be descriptive and variable name should begin with a letter, that is A to Z, or with an underscore. It should be started with a lowercase letter and contains alphabets, digits and underscore, and we cannot use any other characters. The words or letters in a variable name can be separated by using underscore followed by more letters, underscores and digits. Python does not allow special characters used in the variable name such as $, and percentage. We cannot give spaces in between the variable name. In Python, there are some keywords and that cannot be used as variable name. For example, true, and, break, etc. Now we are going to study about how to assign value to a variable. In Python, we can use assignment statements to create variables and to give them values, and its syntax is variable name is equal to expression. The equal to sign assigns the value given in the right side to the variable given in the left side. For example, x is equal to 40, then type print x. First statement, x is equal to 40, is an assignment statement. Here we used equal to sign to assign value, that is 40, to the variable x, and the symbol equal to is known as the assignment operator. We can change the assigned value to reassign it, and the data type of the variable will be also changed according to the reassignment. The printx statement prints or displays the current value of the variable x. If we displayed the value of a variable, should not use the quotation marks in the above example. Printx displays the value of x as 40. Otherwise, if we type the x within the quotation marks, it will display x. In single assignment, we assign single value or expression to a single variable. In the same way, we can assign one value or expression to different variables simultaneously, and its syntax is variable 1 is equal to variable 2 is equal to variable 3 to variable n is equal to expression. For example, x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. We can also assign multiple values or expressions to multiple variables, and its syntax is variable 1, variable 2, variable 3 is equal to expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3, etc. For example, a, b, c is equal to 1, 2 numbers. Here value of a is assigned as 1, B as 2 and C as numbers. That is all for today. Thank you.